No time today? Then give me just a few minutes and stay with me, because this simple seated routine can help target your belly and thighs without standing up or doing a long workout. My name is Natasha Mohan, and I know many women don't fail because they are lazy. They struggle because life gets busy, energy gets low, and workouts start feeling impossible. Now that is exactly why today's routine is simple, practical, and easy to follow. Quick question before we begin. What time are you watching this right now? Quickly let me know in the comment below. Morning, afternoon, or night? Tell me in the comments. And one more thing. Do you skip workouts more because you feel tired or because you feel busy? Tell me honestly. Now sit tall, relax your shoulders, and keep your back straight. Now let's begin with move number 1. So I bring to you the first simple and easy move, for which you have to keep your knees slightly apart, not this wide. Just this much is enough. And we have to do knee raises, and we have to touch our elbow to the knee. Now there's a technicality to it. If you only lift it this much, then you have to bend forward, which we don't want. What we want is the knee to come up to the chest level, so you can actually touch it right here. Let's do it together, but slow and steady. I told you, so simple, so easy, and so effective. It's working on your core muscles and your thigh muscles. These are the target areas. So now we've done it slow and steady. Now let's fasten it a little. You have to go slightly faster. Well done. So proud of all of you. Now that we've seen the first move, now let's move on to the second move. This itself is again exciting and super effective. All you have to do is again sit at the edge of the chair, keep your core muscles tightened, and this is also going to target your leg and your hip and your thigh muscles, especially for this area, which is the target area for now. We are going to touch our toes like this, and you have to lift your leg as high as you can. So the first part that we're going to do is slow toe touches, and then we move on to the faster version. Let's do it together. So when you try to hold your toe, that also implies a lot of pressure on this very area, which is further strengthening, tightening, and toning your core muscles. Now we'll do it slightly faster, which is of course even more beneficial. Now we move on to the next exercise, for which we have a simple and easy move, that is cycling just sitting on a chair. It's so simple and so easy, yet super effective. You have to tuck in your core muscles, tighten it, and then we have to start doing the move. But just breathe normally. You don't have to hold your breaths. It's so simple, like this. Well done! So proud of you! So if you have enjoyed watching these exercises, do let me know in the comment which one was your favorite. Exercise 1, exercise 2 or exercise 3. And also let me know that which time of the day would you prefer doing it, morning or evening? Yes, these exercises are that very flexible. You can either do it in the morning, first thing when you wake up, or you can do it at night, 2 hours after your dinner time. It's so easy and so simple. Now you don't have to make excuses. You don't have to make a special effort to get out of bed to go to the gym. You can literally just do it sitting in your living room, on a couch or on a chair. So if you wish to, along with these exercises, follow a balanced proper meal nutrition plan, you can join my paid loss program by just clicking on the link given below in the description, and you can connect with me directly. It is such a simple and easy process where you will be given diet according to your preferences, your likes, your dislikes and your daily routine, which matters the most. And you will also receive such exercises which are customized according to your own target areas. Some people have excessive belly fat, some have excessive thigh fat, hip fat or breast fat or arm fat. We target all the areas with simple, easy, doable and effective exercises which you have to just be consistent doing every day. Stay motivated and try to understand how important it is to just look after yourself, because after all, health is wealth and food does work as medicine when you have it in the right proportions, right timing, and you have the right food which is suitable to your body. That is why we follow the Ayurvedic diet plans which are customized according to your body type, so that you have a customized diet plan which you can follow for the rest of your life. I'll see you soon again next week. Take care. Bye bye.